Now it's time to put all of these together in a single spectacular video with the help of editing software. For editing, I am keeping it simple, using CapCut, a simple yet powerful editing tool that is also free. Simply upload everything that you have made so far in CapCut while adjusting the background music as well. While adjusting, it is really important that you pay attention to the drop or climax of the background sound. This is the point where the sound is in a higher wavelength, and it should align with the climax of your video clips. So let's say the most inspirational part of the video should align with the climax part of the background music. You can also add transitions between each of the clips to make them seem more cinematic, which is easy, by the way. Just explore the given options in CapCut and you'll see what I mean. You can then add more clips, but keep in mind to adjust the aspect to 9:16 as per YouTube Shorts format. Simply drag each video, adjust and enlarge it, and then align it with the background music, and do this with all the remaining clips. For a more cinematic video, I have a bonus trick. To give your video a professional feel, select all the videos and click on the Adjustment tab on the CapCut, scroll down and adjust the saturation all to -50 while adjusting the brightness to -20 or something. This will give a black and white effect to the video, giving it an even more inspirational vibe. Now the last and most important step is to add captions that will draw attention and explain the context of your video to your audience. But behold, the captions have to be unique and interesting. Since no one wants to watch a video that feels like a lecture from your history professor, the captions must be fun and captivating. For this purpose, I recommend using Submagic, as it provides a variety of caption styles. For now, you can use their free plan, but I would recommend that you spend some money to unlock all features. To begin, upload your video to Submagic and then select the desired language, and then hit transcribe. You will be hit with a bunch of different styles of captions from which you can choose from. Not only this, but you can also completely customize captions by editing, changing the size, font, and stuff. Don't forget to double check that your transcription is correct, and then hit export in the top right corner to finish your masterpiece.